name is Jason Coleman and I am the chef for Metro Parks Tacoma. Today we're going to be making chicken noodle soup, and it's a very simple recipe, very few ingredients to it, but it's really, really tasty. So let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need are chicken, obviously, carrots, celery, onion, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of basil, some garlic. Here we go. First thing you're going to want to do is cut up your vegetables. Try to cut your vegetables in even pieces so that everything cooks about the same. Since it's soup, rustic is good, so they don't have to necessarily be exactly even, but as even as you can get them, it's always a good thing. Let's fire up. We're going to add a little bit of oil to our pan. Get that nice and hot. Once the pan is warm, we're going to add the chicken to the pan. I like to bring my chicken in early just to let it cook. Gives the soup a little better flavor. To the pan, we're going to add our vegetables. Throw in a touch of garlic. Add just a pinch of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Once my vegetables have started to soften, I'm going to add my chicken stock. You can make homemade chicken stock or you can buy canned stock. Either one will work. When that starts to come to a boil, you want to add your egg noodles. If you're adding your noodles directly to the soup, be very careful that you don't add too many because the noodles will take up a lot of your stock. If that happens, you can simply add a little bit more chicken stock to it. Let that cook. In about 12 minutes, you'll have soup. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Jason Coleman. This is from Metro Parks Tacoma. Thank you very much. Bon appetit.